In this video, I'll teach you how to get percentages in just 3 seconds. Let's head over to the first example. 60% of 40. Traditionally, we are taught this process of getting percentages wherein we multiply the given number with the decimal version of the given percentage. In here, we multiply 40 with 0.60 to get the answer that is 2,400. Then, we move 2 decimal places to the left to get the final answer that is 24. However, when we're at the mall or when we're simply buying something with a discount, we don't really use this, but we only use our calculators. So how do we get percentages quickly and mentally without going through the process of getting our phones and using our calculators? Well, here's the trick. Simply multiply the non-zero digits of the given. So that means 6 times 4, which is 24. It gives you the same answer as the one earlier. But you may ask, how? Is that even mathematically correct? Well, yes. Absolutely it is. Remember that 60% means 60 out of 100? That means to say that what you're multiplying to 40 is actually 60 over 100. So when you simplify this expression, this pair of zeros can be disregarded, and this pair of zeros can be disregarded too, leaving us with only 6 divided by 1 times 4, which is simply 6 times 4. So the answer is the same as 24. Now let's try another example. 70% of 50. Again, we only multiply the non-zero digits. So that's 7 times 5. And the answer is 35. Now what if it's a big number? Let's say 20,000. So for example, 75% of 20,000. So that's 75 times 2, which is 150. If you noticed, 150 is quite a small number to become 75% of the given. So what do we do? Well, in cases of answers that are too small or too big relative to the given, we simply move the decimal point either to the left or to the right until the answer gets close to the given. So, with 150, we can move one place to the right so that it becomes 1,500. However, that is still far from the given. So, we move to the right for one more place. This gives us 15,000. And there, we're now able to get a number that's close to 20,000. So our final answer is 15,000. Let's have another example. 25% of 20,000. So 25 times 2 is 50. Again, too small a number to become 25% of 20,000. So we move to the right. Moving one place will only give us 500. So we try another place. And so the answer is 5,000. Let's have another example. 85% of 600. So that's 85 times 6, which is 510. Since the number is already close to 600, there's no need to move places. And so our final answer is 510. Let's have another example. 35% of 30. So that's 35 times 3. It gives us an answer of 105. The answer is quite big compared to the given. So this time we move places to the left. One move to the left will give you 10.5, which is already close to the given. Therefore, the answer is 10.5. Now, how about 30% of 150? So that's 3 times 15, which gives us 45. Moving one place to the left will give us 4.5, which is too small. While moving to the right will give us 450, which is actually bigger than the given. So, our final answer is 45. Now, what if we have decimals? Well, we follow the same rules, but this time we disregard the decimal point. For example, 40% of 1.2. So that's 4 times 12, which is 48. We just move places to the left to make the number lesser than the given. So in here, from 48, we move to the left. The answer is 0.48. Let's try another example. 20% of 3.5. So that's 2 times 35, so 70. And our final answer would be 0.70. Now please remember to always validate your answer relative to the original given. That means if you get a number that's too small or too big compared to the given, then you have to do it again. Now, on to the last example before I give you some items to answer. 25% of 0.006. So that's 25 times 6, which is 150. And we simply move places to the left so we can get 0.0015. Now that I'm done explaining the trick, let us test your understanding. But I will only give you 3 seconds to do it. Are you ready? 20% of 150. The answer is 30. 90% of 600. The answer is 540. 30% of 250. The answer is 75. 28% of 20. The answer is 5.6. And the last one, 60% of 5.1. The answer is 3.06. There you have it. I hope you got a perfect score. I hope this trick will help you figure out discounts without using a calculator. I hope you learned, and I'll see you in my next video. Please comment down below what topics you'd like me to discuss so I can help you more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!